Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are tackling something that I've been avoiding since after Christmas. Actually, since before Christmas. It's my garage. It is such a mess. Like, I'm so embarrassed to even be showing this because it is so unlike me to have my garage this way. I let my garage get out of control, and then it's one of those things where like it's a little bit bad and then you put it off and then it just gets worse and worse and worse. I'm actually kind of scared to show it to you. Like, it is so freaking bad and I am ashamed that I let it go this long. Okay, maybe I'm not ashamed of it, but I'm definitely not proud of it. But it all has to change because I'm literally going insane looking at it, and it's a mental thing. You get home, you're like, it's so bad. So we are tackling this. I will say this about that. The majority of the stuff in my garage is still Halloween, fall, and Christmas stuff that we just never put up in the attic and that we didn't properly box up a lot of the stuff after Christmas. Biggest mistake. I will never do that again. Okay, it's just time to declutter and organize this garage so that it's an actual functional garage again. Also, hopefully if any of you guys are also struggling with a disastrous garage, this will motivate you too, hopefully, because I'm definitely motivated. Let's just go see it and you can see for yourself. Please tell me someone else has a garage that looks like this, because right now, I don't feel good about it. Let's do this. I told you it was bad, and this is only one side of it. Look at all the Christmas stuff and just stuff everywhere that needs to be organized, put in the attic, gone through. Oh my God, this is just such an overwhelming feeling. And look, you thought it couldn't get worse. It just got worse. There's furniture we need to get rid of, and yeah. So it's time to tackle this beast of a garage. My idea with starting the garage was, let me just get everything out that we're going to keep, like all of our bikes, basically actually just everything out so we could have some room to organize it. And I have to tell you, I was like freaking out inside. Like, how are we ever going to get this done? The intention was to get this all done in a day. Well, I will give you a little heads up. That didn't happen. I made a pile for donations in one bag, stuff that I was going to keep in another bag, stuff that we wanted to sell in another area. We still have legit Christmas ornaments on one of the Christmas trees. Like, oh my God. So my daughter had the genius idea of deciding to have a little garage sale of her own with the stuff that we wanted to get rid of. So she took the couch and a few other things out to the front of the street, well, to the front of our driveway, and made a little garage sale sign and proceeded to try and sell stuff. And she was successful. Oh, look. Go over there. Go over there. My little girl selling her stuff. Aww. Lennon, good job, baby. We told Lennon that she could keep the money that she earned because it was her idea to sell the stuff, because we were actually just going to give it away. So she made herself, I think it was like 85 bucks. So she was very proud. We had some boxes that were already down there that were filled and ready to go up in the attic. So I told Carlos, let's just get some of the boxes up there and get everything pushed to one side of the garage so that it didn't feel so overwhelming having it on both sides. So that's what we went ahead and did. don't mind our garage floor. Carlos decided a couple years ago he was going to paint our garage floor, did about not even a quarter of it, and decided that we need to hire a professional. And we still haven't done that yet because that costs a lot of money. So garage floor is staying how it is right now. I also have this antique cabinet that my grandmother gave to me that she's had for me since I was little, and it just needs to be restored. So for now, we're putting it up in the attic so it doesn't get damaged. We weren't able to finish the garage that day, so now we are back on day 2 of the garage, putting up some more stuff. I got a lot more stuff boxed up, so loading it up into the attic. As you can see, we've made some headway, yay! And we went to Home Depot and bought this big shelf because I wanted to be able to have a place to put some of the things that I want to keep in the garage that are like home decor stuff, curtains, just different my arts and crafts stuff, and I wanted to keep them in boxes and keep them on a shelf, and then also use those shelves for when we take down different holiday decorations. I can put them on the shelf instead of just having them on the garage floor. We eventually want to get a second one, but for now, one will do. A bunch of my arts and crafts stuff and extra home decor stuff just kind of piled in this corner in this area. No organization to it, so I decided to go ahead and take the time and organize this as best as I could. So I decided to go ahead and put my artificial flowers in this box so I could just go open this box whenever I needed some new flowers. I divided it up between like the fall wintry flowers and then the spring summery flowers. We did manage to take down my Easter decorations. My house still isn't decorated, but that third row with the 4 boxes, that's Easter. Hopefully I'll get that up soon. This was all a corner of arts and crafts stuff and just extra little DIY supplies. So I took all that stuff and put it also in a big bin so I could just go to, it's just little knickknacks and stuff that I use for different DIYs. So I wanted to keep it all together and keep it looking nice, hidden in a bin. Okay, so we're taking a little break from the garage, decluttering, organization, making our garage look good again. And my husband and I have been craving this turkey white bean chili. It sounds so good, and it is one of the Home Chef meals. And I'd like to thank Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. I am really hungry. All right, we got. It says.
Step 1, make your wife a cocktail.
It's Saturday. Why not?
All right, get some ice in there. Some little ice.
Just take your time.
Little ice.
Need a medium pot and 2 mixing bowls. 2 mixing bowls, medium pot. Let's get these ingredients divided, shall we?
Looking forward to some turkey chili.
Me too. No cheese on mine though. Comes with cheese. I don't like the cheese. I don't like cheese.
You know, the good thing is the portions are, you know, separated for you. And this is some good turkey meat. We eat a lot of turkey meat. I can visually look at this and see that this turkey was caught February.
What?
They caught this. This isn't. This is fresh turkey. That's fresh turkey.
It's way past February.
But they caught the turkey.
Oh, they actually caught
the turkey.
Okay.
It was somewhere in Maine.
They caught the turkey in Maine.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Scully. All the ingredients in these cute little packages. It makes it so convenient. And everything is recyclable. I need you to open this. I don't like opening cans. That is your job. I mean, I can open a can.
I'm gonna do this for you. Then you
No. You
Oh God. I could go YOLO prison style and make this just with one hand. But for the sake of this chili, we'll go professional grade. There you go.
No, you just.
What? I just what?
Lift that up.
Ow!
Oh God, you're so not that helpful.
Come out of here after this. I'm very busy.
We were gonna cook this together.
Yeah, but like, what's the point of together, really?
I thought it would be sweet.
No, just focus. They want to see you. They want to see my bald ass.
But I wanted to make, like, I wanted it to be like a romantic, like,
Yeah.
making a nice little
Okay.
lunch together. Ew, ow! You gotta drain it. Can you drain it?
Yeah, drain this.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I don't know how to chop super fast. I've never been to culinary school, but Home Chef makes me feel like a home chef.
Oh my God.
Look at this. I've never cut those before that nice. Look at that.
You did a good job cutting those.
Thank you.
Now, how are you gonna do it? Don't slice your finger out. Look at that cutting method.
Right? I feel like after watching so many cooking shows
You
and
got
now
it.
being a home chef,
You've mastered
Look
the
at this.
cutting.
Yeah.
Let me see. Nice.
what the hell? Am I a different person? I've never cut this good in my whole life. I don't know what's going on. Am I really Carlos?
Are you Carlos?
I am Robot Carlos. Here to make your day easier.
We have been loving using Home Chef so much. It has made us make so many different kinds of dinners that we have never made in the past. Plus, it's made us try ingredients that we wouldn't necessarily purchase at the grocery store, and I found that I actually really like, so I love that. All of the ingredients are fresh and come packaged in one bag for each meal, and inside the bag, all of the ingredients are divided up for exactly how much you need for each thing, which makes it so easy and convenient. You don't have to worry about going to the grocery store, having too much of one ingredient or not enough of another. It makes it super simple. Plus, all the meals you can make in under 30 minutes, which is perfect for busy families like ours. Home Chef has 18 weekly menu choices. You can also mix and match based on your preferences. And they also have 5-minute lunches and add-ons you can do, like fruit smoothies, which I think is really cool. Home Chef is offering $20 off of your first 4 boxes for a discount of $80. This is the highest and best discount Home Chef has ever offered. All you need to use is the code Navarro80, and all the information will be linked in the description box below. Hurry and get this offer while it lasts because it's such a good deal. You should definitely check it out. It has upped our cooking game and made like cooking dinner just so much more enjoyable. We absolutely love it and love trying all the new meals. Alexa, stop timer. We gotta re-stir this, make it ready to be poured in. Add the turkey. Beans. Let the plating begin. That looks good. How much cheese you want?
A lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese?
Oh yeah.
Coming at you. More than that? Are you ready to try this?
I'm ready to try.
I did not put any sour cream or cheese on mine because I'm not a fan of sour cream or cheese.
I am.
So, ooh, it looks hot.
I know that's good.
It does look good. Okay.
Wow.
Mix it, mix it. How hot is it?
Mmm. This is delicious.
It is so good.
Mmm.
That's really good. I've never made a white bean chili before. My mama has, but not me. But thanks to Home Chef,
Ah.
now I know how to. This is really good. Thank
Another
you.
winner, Home Chef.
Thank you, Home Chef.
Everything Home Chef has made and brought for us has been stupendous.
It really has.
Very impressed.
I'm gonna eat this and then get back to the garage. Oh,
There we go.
cheese on your face. It's garage reveal time! Woo! How do you feel about the garage?
I think let the audience find out on their own.
Here we go! Whoa! Our garage hasn't looked like this in so long. It's like a whole new garage. I mean, everything isn't perfect. Lennon, how much do you love the garage? Oh, it's so good, right? We've got everything organized on our new little shelf system. We got Easter decor that needs to go up. I'm using these bins for extra storage. Obviously, that's what a bin is for, but I have some home decor stuff in there, some like memory stuff that we're still filling up, arts and crafts stuff in there, my faux flowers, you know, just the kind of stuff that you need to be able to get to. That's why I have some extra curtains, things like that. And we still have a whole bottom row empty. Hello, little lizard. I've got my laundry area all nice and organized. It's not perfect. I don't have the dream laundry room, but hey, it'll work. And then this whole area is now organized, and I just feel so good about it. Do you feel so good about it, Carlos? Oh my God. That was quite the move.
Like a cheerleader, right?
Yeah, you did.
How to do a cheerleader.
You definitely looked like a cheerleader. That was good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you needed that garage motivation, hopefully you got it from this video. I feel so much better that it is all clean and organized. I feel like I can conquer the world now. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out Home Chef if you haven't yet. All the information will be linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.